my beautiful audience, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning with Surbhi. I know it can be really tricky when you are on your English speaking learning journey. You make a lot of mistakes and you hesitate while speaking. This is absolutely fine. See, learning is a journey, okay? And if you learn something, obviously you make mistakes. Today, I'm going to be talking about 5 common mistakes that all learners make. Especially I've seen my students. Despite telling them again and again, they repeatedly make these mistakes. Well, old habits die hard. We have heard of that, right? But today, in this video, I'm not just going to tell you those 5 mistakes, but also will give you very easy fixes to fix those problems, to fix those mistakes and make your speech better. So are you all ready? Well, I am ready. Make sure you have your notebook and pen handy so that you can take all the notes. And also, if you like this video, do share this video with all other learners and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have done that already, very good. But do share this video. So let's get into the video. Mistake number 1, misusing tenses. For example, student says like that, I go to the market yesterday. Wait, we are talking about yesterday? So, our past action verb should be I went to the market yesterday. Now, these are very common mistakes, all right? And now we need to fix it. So, easy fixes are 1, please have knowledge of basic tenses, okay? Present, past, future. I know, you must be thinking, oh God, tense is so tough. How are we going to do that? There are videos on my channel. Please check that grammar playlist. All right. But see, understand, you are on your learning journey. All right. Nothing comes easy. You have to put in efforts. Come on. And this is a very simple thing I'm asking for. Basic tenses. Google it. Ask ChatGPT. Get worksheets also so that you can solve. All right. And second way to fix this problem so that you don't make this mistake, past action, present action. No. For that, please do retelling stories or just tell about your day. For example, now see, when I'm giving you this example, this will help you differentiate between past verb, present verb and future verb. Let's say, I had my breakfast at 10 a.m. today. Had, past action, okay? I cooked rajma chawal for lunch. Rajma chawal, my favorite. Is it your favorite too? Every Punjabi's favorite. Okay, let's continue. I am talking to you now. I talk in English language. Now see, this is present tense. Okay, moving further. I am going to market at 4 p.m. today. I will cook dal makhni for dinner. Do you love dal makhni? I love it. Well, see, so easy, right? When you make such small sentences, this will help you differentiate between your past action, present action, and future action. So easily. Moving on to our second mistake. Incorrect subject-verb agreement. Okay, please understand, when you learn English or you start writing, make sure subject and verb both complement each other because these two are the pillars to make any sentences. Most of the sentences have subject and verb and many students make mistakes. Let's say, they'll say like that, she don't talk in English. Now here you're doing mistake 1, you are translating word for word. वो English नहीं बोलती, she don't. No, you're overgeneralizing. Okay, with she, since it is singular, we'll use does. So we'll say she doesn't speak English. Now easy fixes. In the first one, I've already told you, get some knowledge of tenses. Okay, now like start building very small 2-word sentences, I can say, like he sings, they sing, but not sings. With singular subjects, comes your singular verb, but in simple present it's bit confusing because you think, hey, I'm saying he, so with he why am I saying talks with s? Well, this can be confusing, but it's fine. Practice it. Start with 2 words, then 3 words, and then keep moving. He talks, they talk. She eats, we eat. Children play, a child plays. See, so easy, right? Start with that and then gradually build long sentences, and that's how you will learn it. Mistake number 3, using incorrect prepositions. Okay, before I tell you this mistake, my confession, even I also have to be extra careful with prepositions because these can be really confusing. Okay, let me give you an example. She is good in cooking. Okay, now here what you're trying to do, you are trying to translate word for word. Okay, you're translating from your native language to English. वो cooking में अच्छी है, she is good in cooking. No, here good, with good we use preposition at. She is good at cooking. Yes, like here if I give you interested, let's replace good and let me give you the word interested. She is interested at cooking? No, she is interested in cooking. With good we use at, with interested we use in. Okay, so these are pairs, prepositions pairs. Okay, they are like Ram bhai. Wait, sorry, wrong example. Cut it. Why do I make these mistakes? Okay, they are like Ram and Shyam, they go together, pairs. Okay, so good at, interested in. She is good at cooking, I'm interested in music. See, so easy, right? Practice it more. Solve prepositions worksheets. The more you will read, the more you will solve, the more you improve. This is the only mantra, so please do it. Coming to the 4th mistake, overusing filler words like I know, you know, well, these are all fillers. Now see, why do we do it? We are doing it because we don't have enough vocabulary to explain our idea in English. Second, we are buying time to think of more words, okay, which is fine because you're learning. This is not your mother tongue, so I get it. Now, how do we fix it? 1, speak slow. Don't rush. Don't speak English fast. No, don't do that. And when I'm saying that, I'm not saying like when you're socializing. No, while you're doing that, of course, you have to speak at normal pace, of course. But when you're practicing English at home or with somebody else, speak English slowly, intentionally, because when you speak slow, your mind starts searching, looking for words, and you can speak well with time. It takes time, okay, but you will improve. 1. Second, please read a little bit. I know it sounds boring to you, ma'am, reading so boring. Okay, let me tell you, even I'm not able to read these days, but see, you are on your learning journey. Again, a reminder. So when you are doing something to upskill yourself, of course, you must come out of your comfort zone. You have to put in extra effort. Let's say today I have to teach maths. How will it be? Wow, maths, बड़ी मुश्किल से निकाली है 10th. But if I have to do that to even like my daughter, okay, so if I have to do that, I have to put extra effort. I hope you can relate it with the example. I'm trying my level best to give you the best example. Okay, so please do that. Third one, start naming objects. Start thinking in English, okay? Whatever you're doing, just start speaking in English, right? I am talking to you. I see a door there. There is a beautiful flower pot on the table. Okay, like this. Whatever you're doing, and while doing that, when you name the objects and you make sentences on it, your brain gets wired to think in English. So start thinking in English, and gradually you will stop using these filler words. Another quick fix here is, instead of using filler words, take pauses. Like pauses as in not like you're pausing every time. No, maintain a little bit of silence, okay, while speaking. So let me say this in 2 ways. Let's have a look. I went to the market yesterday. It was really nice. All the markets, like whole market, was decorated with lights. Yes. I went to the market yesterday. Whole market was decorated. It was lit with so beautiful lights. Okay, if you check this before and after one is way much better. I gave a few pauses, but it did not look awkward. So try doing that instead of using all that stuff. 5th mistake is translating from your native language. Common mistake. Everybody does that, I believe, in the beginning. So this reminds me of my student. All right, so he had this habit of doing that. So he was speaking one paragraph. In that he said, I entered in my room and I on the light. Maine light chalai. I on the light. No. So what you're doing, you are again translating, and this cannot be possible. No, it's a wrong method. See, many phrases, expressions can be translated. It's fine. But many cannot. In fact, most of the words, sentences, you cannot do that. So we won't say on the light, or some people say open the light. No, switch on the light or turn on the lights. So we can say like that. For this, easy fix is again how to think in English. Please do that. Start thinking in English. I have made a video on this. You can check that on my channel. I'm giving the link in the description box. Very useful. Second one, learn common used English phrases, okay, that we speak in our daily life. Start learning that. There are many channels who teach you this, so please go ahead, listen to those. You can make notes and then start using it in your daily lives. And please don't wait for somebody else to come and practice English with you. Don't do that, okay? Speak with yourself. Sit alone wherever you are sitting alone and start speaking. Simple, right? So easy. It's that you have to put in effort. Nobody is going to come for you and work for you or learn for you. No, it's your journey. You have to do that. I hope you found this video useful, and tell me out of this which is the mistake that you make the most. Write me in the comment section, and which is the easy fix that you love out of my all these easy fixes. And also guys, I also give spoken English classes. We offer individual one-to-one sessions and different plans. So if you want to enroll for that, you can call us at a given number. I have given the details in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Ta-da.